All right, what's up, guys? So this one is all for my Goosehead agent friends that follow me. I basically reached out to a handful of the folks on the service team that are in my community and asked them how we could be better. One thing they said, which this seems kind of like a no-brainer to me, but is that when we send a case to them, to put a little bit more detail in the case as to why the client's calling or texting or emailing us and how they need help. Just putting "there's a problem, please call the client" is definitely not good enough, guys. We got to be better about that. So step it up there. They are human beings just like we are. They make mistakes. We make mistakes. No one's perfect. Be patient. Another thing that I heard is that we as agents have to be good at explaining the difference between our sales and our service. So we have a service team out there that helps us maintain the policies, do changes of vehicles, mortgage companies, collect payment, all that stuff. One of the biggest reasons why we separate that out is we're on the phone a lot selling new policies, and we can't get to those little things, and it just allows us to function and operate a little bit better. But being better about explaining how our model is and how we function to our clients is definitely a good thing to tell people how you do business. I always say too, because we have a follow-up system process for claims that clients need to reach out to me and the service team. I'll loop the service team in on all that so that they can start their claim process and handle that. That way the client's not alone, and they quite frankly can just do things a little bit faster than we can up front. The systems are different on the front end when we're writing policies versus when it's an existing policy on the books. They're the pros. They know how to handle all that stuff behind the scenes. I know how to write a policy, collect payment, and push the bind button. But once it becomes a policy in there, I don't have a clue. I didn't even change my own vehicle out when I traded it in. So thank you, Kyle, for the help there. But anyways, our service team is fantastic. All of our NPS ratings and the feedback that I get on surveys prove that. So give them the info, as much info as you can on clients when they call in. That way they're not going in blind. Do a good job of explaining what their role is in our company and how we're set up. And ultimately, I think this just leads to a better client experience. People need to know how you do business and how you're set up so that they can go get things when they need it. Speaking of which, another good thing to tell all of our clients is all of the ways that they can interact with us. Ask them what their preferred method is. Some people like a phone call. Some people like email. A lot of people like text. And then the last one, which we've rolled out that's been very, very good, I've received a lot of great feedback on, is our chat feature. So us as agents need to do a better job of telling our clients that those are all the different avenues that we have to communicate, so that way we can meet people where they want to be. But if we're not telling them all that stuff on the front end and setting a good expectation, then it just leads to a bad client experience. So anyways, guys, I hope this helps. Thank you so much to all of you on our service team who allow us to function and operate at a very, very high level here. I can't thank you enough. Thanks for all the feedback. I will definitely hit you up. All of you guys, if you're not a part of the community and you'd like to join, especially my service team, if you're hearing this, text me 704-285-0992. Say hello. Thank you.